Guys, it's finally here. Tan tan. So after months of waiting, I've finally received the Tomorrowland bracelets, and I'm going to do the unboxing with you and share what's inside. So stay tuned, stay with the channel. My name is Ansh, and this is Electric Getaways. If you like music festivals, global journeys around the world, this channel is for you. Stay tuned for the unboxing. Let's unbox it together and see the magic inside. Say hello to my lucky OnePlus mascot with the iconic Never Settle slogan. Let's take a moment to appreciate this packaging. Tomorrowland never disappoints. The box has this magical premium vibe. Almost feels like a treasure chest. Check out the detail. Every year the design changes, and this one is for week 1 Global Journey Full Madness package. If you have been dreaming of attending, this unboxing gives you a little taste of the magic before you even arrive. Inside you've got this iconic Tomorrowland bracelet, which is an NFC enabled bracelet and is literally your passport to the festival. You just have to activate it on your Tomorrowland account, load it with some pearls, and you're ready to use it in the festival. I'll be flying to Europe in the second week of July, and I'll take you guys along for the full Tomorrowland journey and beyond. I'll also be sharing how to book Tomorrowland tickets, get the visa, and tips on planning your trip for an international festival. Hit subscribe so you don't miss anything in the upcoming videos. If you're as hyped for Tomorrowland 2025 as I am, make sure you like this video and drop a comment if you're going to. Subscribe to Electric Getaways for more music festival updates, visa tips, global adventures. This is just the beginning. See you in the next one.